keep on doing it. Yes, you can.
You want it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's you doing, Bunkers? What are you doing? What you doing? Are you kicking? Here's the kitchen. Are you trying to get me now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. I got you. Got you, Pa. Nope, I got you.
Jesse, come on, let's move. Okay, move him. Quite lazy today. Get him a new toy.
Oh, he wants it. Where'd the cone go? Remember that?
No.
Where'd the cone go?
My turn. You film? Film?
Ooh, no goose. Lucy. He's licking. Doesn't want to hit it. Oh, now he took off a feather now. Bunkers, let go. You're gonna ruin the toy.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Here. Scratch me up. Here. Okay, so.
Oh my gosh. I got you. Yeah. You're quite lazy.
He's quite lazy.
I give up.
You give up?
Doing nothing. Look at this.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Much better.
In the video I did yesterday, he barely even did anything, so I had to name it cute instead of funny.
Mouth.
Jeez, Bunkers. Where are you going? To the treehouse or what? He's playing right now with the feather. He's just eating it. He's licking it. What ball? Oh yeah. The ball. He's hiding right there. He's hidden.
And he's done.
Oh, the ball went out of the game.
Gone.
It's gone?
Yeah. Ooh, this toy.
Oh yeah, that toy.
You can just grab this. Okay. There you go. Oh yeah.
Where's that rap music come from? Oh yeah, next door.
Come on. Yeah. Woo! Do this. Ready? Can't see it.
I'm gonna try.
Oh my gosh. He's really getting into it.
It's Jesse.
Come on. Let's go.
Hey, I want to do it. I want to do it now.
You guys are mean.
Focus is that cool music. My religion cat stuff is awesome, bruh. I'm trying to catch you. Now this is
funnier than last time.
I'm sliding.
Bonkers. Looks like Chibanya.
Yeah, he
Like
actually does.
from Yokai?
Yeah,
Red
he
cat.
does.
The red one.
He does. He totally does.
He'll become a yokai. He gets hit by a car one.
Yeah. Ah. Hey,
He's gonna punch us.
I see you. I see you right there. Yeah, I see you.
Look at him. Oh, geez.
Hey, Broncos.
Don't eat it.
So I think
oh.
we should end it soon. Have like a 2-party.
Two-parter?
Yeah, because
How? We're gonna edit it?
yeah, we're gonna make another part. So bye.
Yeah. Say
Bye.
bye, bunkers.